So two things happened today. One, at about 6 p.m. today, right here at this intersection, a cyclist was hit by a car and had to be transported to the hospital. I believe, if what I read on Twitter was correct, they have a broken ankle. So that's great. Traffic violence incident number one. And before I learned about that, while I was at work today, I learned that one of my coworkers, while she was walking to work, crossing this intersection, got hit by a car while she was crossing the crosswalk. Car was turning right on red, didn't see her, bam, tossed her on the ground. And the fucking coward driver stopped initially, rolled down their window, and said, "Are you okay?" And from what it sounds like, she said, "Yeah," but she definitely was, although nothing was broken, she definitely hit the ground pretty hard. I'm sure she's gonna feel that tonight or tomorrow. And then the fucking coward drove away. But no, cyclists, pedestrians, vulnerable road users, we're not allowed to get mad. It's cars' world and we're just living in it. They have the right to do whatever they want, run over as many people as they want, because they got places to be. Yeah, we're not allowed to get mad. Unbelievable. And some of you idiots on the internet actually encourage that. I have one message for you people. Fuck your face. Seriously. Go get hit by a bus. Tell me how that feels. It's what you wish for others. Oh, because we use bad words. We call people idiots when they are being idiots. Yeah, well, fuck you and your fragile feelings.